In this tutorial, I am going to talk about variables in Python. Variables are like containers with stored data. So here in my program, I have a fully working program which prints a story. So this goes like, once upon a time there was a boy named Tim. He was 12 years old. He had a friend named John. He was also 12 years old. So if we run this program, you can see that it is a fully working program. So now let me say that I want to change the name of the boy to, suppose, Sam. So I would manually go to every line and change his name to Sam. And let me say now I want to make him a little older. So I'll just let's say I'll make him 23. And then I want to change his friend's name to Tim and make him younger. So I just manually go to every place where in every place and just change the value. Instead of that, we can store, okay, suppose we have hundreds and thousands of lines in a story, and we want to change the boy's name, and suppose the boy's name is written in the story about hundreds and thousands of times. It would be a very difficult work for us to do it. So instead of that, we can just store the boy's name in a variable, and then assign the variable in the string. So for making a variable, we need to give some information to Python. So for the first information is the name of the variable. So always try to give as descriptive names as you can. So this is the name of the boy. So I'll just write name. This will be the name of the variable, double quotes, and here let me type Sam. So now this is a variable which stores the value Sam. Let me make another variable which stores his age. So I'll write age is equal to, and I'll give 23. As you can see, for typing an age or a whole number, we don't use double quotes. We just simply type the number. So this age variable stores the age of the boy. Now let me make another variable, friend name. This will store the name of the friend of Sam. So now let me assign this to Tim. So this will store this friend name variable will store the data of Tim. Let me make another variable which stores his friend's age and give it to 9. So we have made 4 variables which stores respective data. So now for assigning these variables in the print, we first, wherever the name of the character is, we just add a plus sign there and then give the name of the variable. And remember, you should always give the name outside the double quotes. Always give the name of the variable outside the double quotes. Then do the same thing on his age. So close the statements and then this. So here I have assigned age, where the age of of the boy was there. The same thing we can do it with his friend's name. So just plus friend name. Same thing with his age. Friend age. Now as you can see, it is showing an error at the top. 2 warnings found. This is because Python cannot understand that we are adding a number with a string. So we can just add the two double quotes. Between the double quotes we can add the value. The same thing with the friend's age. And now you can see there are no problems. So now when we run this, you can see that nothing changes. As you can see, it is still saying Tim 23 years old, Sam 23 years old, Tim 9 years old. So now if you want to change the name of the boy, you can just change it on the variable. Suppose I just again want it to Tim, suppose, and then I want the friend's name to be John. Now when I run this program, as you can see, it has updated the values. Same thing, if you want to change the age, you can just go here. Let's say I want to make him a little bit older, suppose 50, and then friend's age, let me make 20. So now run. As you can see, it is updated here. So this is the variables. In the next tutorial, I'm going to talk about data types which we can store in the variables.